Sheesh.
I'm gonna have to put that night shot on though.
Live and direct, man. Like, we live and direct, man. Let me see. I know a lot of you niggas. I know a lot of you niggas at home confused. What the fuck? Why? What the fuck Drake you hanging with both for? Why the fuck? Why your business, bitch? That's why. You know what I'm saying? Y'all over there doing too much time spending on us instead of worrying about yourself.
Yeah.
Get out the way.
Yeah.
Coming. Pause.
Yeah. Talk to them. Grain gripping.
Does this sound better?
Give me that mouth. No, give me that mouth.
She gon' do it if I let her. She need a room, she text my assistant. So many plays at the phone start glitching. She opened up about all of her exes. Funny cause I got some songs with them niggas. Bought her a rollie, she wanted a rich. I fell in love with a video vixen. I can fall asleep before my bitches. Checking my hotel to see what I'm missing.
That's so much cleaner.
Yeah, that's so hard.
Way, like so much cleaner.
Way,
Like,
yeah.
it's made all the difference. Sheesh. Yo. Yeah, we need that food truck session, man. Yeah, we need that ASAP. And send some more shit if you got some more shit. I tell people, you know, people say, well, what's it like waking up in that life? You know, having that life, and I say, you know, it's something like it's just like any other, you know. I feel like I was destined for greatness. Now that's something not a lot of y'all won't understand, unfortunately. But I'm here to be live representation for you. Greatness. That's it.
Thank God.
Sheesh. And I seen them outfits at New York Fashion Week. They was terrible. Y'all should be ashamed of yourselves. All y'all. And I saw that caption about you not having a stylist. That's probably the problem. FYI. Don't think because you don't have one that you're doing it the right way.
God, talking that talk. What?
It's the truth.
It's the truth. That's the truth.
Did Tiffany make that necklace?
Yeah.
How would that come about?
I don't know. They just sent it to me as a gift.
That's fucking hard. They made it 60 inches.
I know. I was like, fuck it. Like, if it was T-Pain's.
Definitely Dennis's chain.
Yeah, right. Like, look at the light. Wow. That might be the coolest toy yet, no?
This probably goes like this, look. See? Turn this. How it comes up.
So when you and now let's figure out how to put it down.
See, in this one, you move this and the arm goes up. Look. See?
Bye. I'll talk to you later.
See? And this way goes down like that. This comes up by itself and you can turn this one like that.
Wow.
And you can pick up the card like that. I know where it is.
Everybody, I don't know. You tell me. What about Jeremiah?
That's what you're always asking for.
I like this shirt.
You're going in his car. I have your guys. Yeah. Yeah, no.
You going on the other side?
Yeah, I'm going on the other side.
All right.
So good, all right?
Party!
Oh! Oh!
I was gonna go in there and splash it.
Yeah, it's all good. Don't worry. It's not gonna spill.
Why do you take photos?
Because you're so cute.
I am. I think I left my helicopter.
No, that's water.
Sit up, sit up. Come on, sit up.
I thought you said sit
All
down.
Okay, jump in there. Right in there. Okay, good boy.